Benz Trading here. Today we will review the USD JPY pair for our daily forex performance review. The Tokyo market hours is from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Tokyo. And for this chart, we will use the 5-minute time frame. Let's go to our chart, trading view. And as you can see here, last Friday, it's June 21, it formed around 9 to 10 p.m. Tokyo time, June 21. It formed a liquidity pool. Okay, take note of that. And let's jump to 5 p.m. June 24 here in this line. 5 a.m. June 24 Tokyo time. Here, there's the start, and around from 5 a.m. to 8 a.m. it formed a low in this part, right? Exactly around 5:50 a.m. Tokyo time. Okay, so again, from 5 a.m. to 8 a.m. but this is the low, creating a support. Okay, and around around 8 a.m. exact 8 a.m. Tokyo time, it formed the day high. It appeared the day high, sweeping the buy side liquidity, formed around the high around 5 a.m. here. So at 8 a.m. it swept the buy side liquidity. Okay, and around 6 p.m. so from 5 a.m. to 6 p.m. the USD JPY only formed a channel. As you can see here, this is the channel. And around 6 p.m. it violated the low formed from 5 a.m. to 6 a.m. here. So here around 6 p.m. it violated the low from 5 a.m. to 6 p.m. and after the violation, the price massively went to a bearish direction, sweeping the liquidity pool, the liquidity void, formed last Friday here. Okay, thank you very much. That's our daily forex review for USD JPY. Thank you.